Hello 12th standard students, welcome back to chapter 1, applications of matrices and determinants. Theorem 1.9, we are going to prove the fifth statement and the sixth statement. So what is the fifth statement? A is a non-singular square matrix of order n, then determinant of adjoint A equal to determinant A power n minus 1 the whole square. Okay. Now for this we are going to take third statement that we have already proved. Adjoint of adjoint A equal to determinant of A power n minus 2 into A. Okay. Now taking determinant on both sides of 3. Okay, this one. Okay, this one you are taking the determinant, so it will be determinant of adjoint A equal to determinant into determinant power n minus 2 into A. Okay, now for this one only you are going to use this formula, this one. Okay, what is this? Now this determinant A means you get a number and it is n minus 4. The whole thing you can consider as lambda. Okay, so this is nothing but lambda into A. So you can use this formula. Okay, and lambda you have got some power. So you write that determinant A power n minus 2 power, for determinant A it is n, so n lambda power n into determinant A. Okay. So this formula, you are taking this as a constant, power n minus 2, and for the A it is order n they have given, so you are taking the lambda power n. So this full thing, A determinant A power n minus 2 equal to lambda. Okay, and then for that you are taking the order of this matrix A. Okay, so it is going to be determinant A power n minus 2 power n into determinant A. Now taking this n inside, you will get determinant A into n square minus 2n into determinant A. So this also, when you add, you will get it as determinant A n square minus 2n plus 1. This is nothing but determinant A into, this is of the formula n minus 1 the whole square. Okay, that is what we have to prove, isn't it? So this is equal to our RHS. So we have started from LHS and we have proved with RHS. Okay, so this how we are proving. We are taking it from statement 3 and using this property of the determinant. Okay, now we shall go to the sixth property. Next one, sixth one, adjoint A the whole transpose equal to adjoint of A transpose. Okay, for this you are going to take our A inverse formula. From that only you are going to proceed. Okay, now here in this formula you are going to replace A by A transpose on both sides, because we have got here only transpose, isn't it? So applying A by A transpose, so the left hand side will become AT the whole inverse equal to 1 by determinant of AT into adjoint of AT. Okay, now you want adjoint A. Here you have got only adjoint A, isn't it? So you keeping adjoint A as it is, adjoint of AT. You take this determinant, cross multiplying here, you will get it as determinant of AT into AT the whole inverse. Now AT the whole inverse from theorem 1.4 we have seen earlier, you can put it as A inverse whole transpose, this property. So for this one you are going to use this property. So you will get it as determinant of A transpose into, instead of AT the whole transpose, you can write it as A inverse transpose. So both has got transpose, so you can put it as determinant A into A inverse the whole transpose. Okay, and here determinant A, this point you need, here it can be AT or A, this you need to go it here. Okay, now here you are going to, for A inverse you are going to substitute this one. Okay, so instead of A inverse you will get 1 by determinant A into adjoint A the whole transpose. So this A and this A gets cancelled, so this T comes inside, so you will get the answer as adjoint A transpose. Okay, what is we have to prove? Yeah, So we have started here adjoint A the whole transpose, isn't it? Here it will be adjoint A the whole transpose. Yes, because it is inside the bracket. So we have started from adjoint A transpose. We have got the answer as adjoint A the whole transpose. You can take it either right side or LHS. Okay. So hence we have proved. So we have proved all the 6 statements. These 6 statements are very, very important. So you have to keep it in mind. I hope you understood that easily. Thank you.